He's gonna blow it off the road now. Okay, you ready?
Yep, I guess. I see you all.
Yep.
Not saying we're hillbilly or anything, but there you go. It's a sight for you, huh? Hey, folks! Mr. McStache. And with me today is Mrs. McStache doing the camera. And we are attempting to do the Mr. G challenge. I guess you could say I'm cheating because I got a dog collar and a belt holder to put my phone on, but then my beard was in the way, so that didn't work. Instead, I got this hot young thing and threw her on the back of my bike and said, "Here, hold this phone." Anyhow, while we are doing our Mr. G challenge, if it works out, there'll be no editing. It will be genuine, straight from the phone, no editing, no nothing. Well, no, there will be some editing because I'll put my opening in. Right here.
Oh, you didn't know?
But other than that, it will be no editing. It will straight from the phone. And if it works, Mr. G, this microphone I got going is headed your way, brother. But no, the reason,
Is he the same one we need to find another dead cat for?
yeah, he's the one we got to watch the side of the road for a dead cat.
Got it.
Anyhow, the reason I'm doing this Mr. G challenge is a twofold thing. One, I know we all do this because we love it. I mean, we genuinely love
Look
this.
to your left. There's a dude guarding the corn.
Yeah. Hey, there's you a scarecrow, baby. Oh, talk about hillbillies. My goodness. But no, this is twofold. No, we all love the motovlogging thing. That's why we do it. I know some people take breaks every once in a while because, it wears on you. But we do love what we're doing. The subscriber count, we love that too. That's not why we do it, but we do love it. And here recently, I hit 300 members.
Woohoo! Subscribers.
300 subscribers, I'm sorry. Membership.
Woo-hoo!
Membership makes you think you have to pay something, I guess.
That's right.
Something or whatever. Anyhow, it's 300 subs. We thank you. We love every one of you. We appreciate one of your comments. If you do not have some McStache stickers, get a hold of me. Let me know. If you want some McStache loot, something like, say, I don't know, a McStache loot crate, woo-hoo! Make some comments down below. We are going to be giving away a McStache loot crate for 300 subs. We don't normally tell you what's in the McStache loot crate. You don't know until you get them.
That's right.
We have given 2 away because 100, 200. Now we're giving a third one away. Although I do know one thing I'm going to tell you is in this one. My sister-in-law, whose husband is now a subscriber, and she makes things. I don't know. She has one of those crickets, and she loves to do stuff with it. And she made me this plastic tumbler with the straw thing that everybody runs around drinking out of. She made it for me, and I'm like, oh, that's cool. I'll do that in a giveaway. I fell in love with it, so I'm keeping it. However, I was able to talk her into another one. So she is making me another one to give away in the loot crate. So you can't get one of those. That is the one thing you want to know. Hey, bro, how you doing? I'm just too happy to be out on the bike for a while. So you know that'll be in there. All you have to do to qualify is make a comment below. If you hit the thumbs up, it'll give you an extra bonus entry if I can tell who hit the thumbs up. If not, hey, it makes me feel good, and that's all that matters, right?
Right.
All right, folks, I didn't want to make this too long. I don't know if it's actually working with my Mr. G microphone. I know my camera girl is doing an excellent job back here because that's what she does. What am I missing? Did I want to?
I think that's it, except all your taglines.
Yeah, I know all my taglines. Folks, I'll tell you what. I do like my 300 subscribers, but I do have one thing to tell you. It just tickled my fancy something fierce. One of my 300 subscribers is my mother-in-law.
Yes.
Yes, folks. Mrs. Mother-in-law McStache subscribes to the channel. She is a McStachian. Boy, if that don't make you feel good about what you're doing, I don't know what does. Anyhow, folks, didn't want to make this too long. Just wanted to do my version of the Mr. G challenge. Love on your family. Check on your buddies. And when you get back out there, folks, keep it rubber side down. This is Mr. McStache with the lovely Mrs. McStache on the camera. Hopefully my Mr. G challenge come out. And I won't put it back out there to you. He didn't pick anybody per se to do the challenge. He said if you wanted to try it, you're more than welcome to do it. And hey, I love a good challenge, so I'm putting it out there too. If you are a moto vlogger and you are watching this, I want to see you do the Mr. G challenge. It's a good time, folks. Check it out. All right. Mr. McStache, we are out of here. Bye-bye. Thanks for watching, y'all. Uh-huh.
Woo!